how to see who added you on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application. So what you're gonna do, it will lead you here to your camera section, right? Now on the upper left, you will see your Bitmoji there. Click on that Bitmoji. Now, next thing that you're gonna do is to scroll down up until you see add friends options here under the friends section. Click on add friends. Now here you will see the added me section, right? You'll see three there actually. But how to see who added you on Snapchat? So here on the upper right, you'll see three dots there. Click on that. And here you will see ignored from added me. Now, if you click on that, you'll see all the accounts that added you, but you didn't actually accept their request. And basically, that's how you see who added you on Snapchat. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.